Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I will explain how to how the wine production process. So, as we can see in here, there is 9 simple steps to make wine. Okay, so let's start from the first step. Okay, in the first step there is ripe grapes. So in this step we must choose the fresh grapes and this second step there is transpiration. So after you choose the fresh grapes, you let grape into the truck, and then the truck will deliver into the factory. So after that there is crushing. So in here the grapes will crush by machine. So the grape being juice. Okay, and the next there is fermentation. So in here you must add yeast for what turn sugar into alcohol, and this step very important because if you skip this step, the wine gagal. Okay, and the next there is pressing. So in here you press the wine to with skin and berries, and after that there is filtration. So in here you must filter the wine, so the wine being clean and clear. Okay, after filtration there is aging. So the wine must put in wooden barrel for a long time for make taste better, and after aging you can bottling the wine. So in here you change for the aging into bottling, and you must labeling, and then you can sell. And after that degustation, yeah, as you know, after that we can buy in the bar or anything else. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.